Alright guys, today we're talking about perimeter, and I know that it's not written on this side, but I am going to have you rewrite perimeter. Perimeter is pretty easy. It's just the measure around a shape. We're going to talk about two types of perimeter today, regular and irregular figures. So we can find perimeter of a rectangle, and I'm going to have you write that as well, using a formula. You'll notice in a rectangle there's two equal lengths. We're going to make a cursive L in parentheses. At the same time, there are two equal widths. And we're going to go ahead and put that in parentheses with a W inside. So to find a perimeter of a rectangle, it's pretty easy. I'm going to follow this formula, P equals 2L plus 2W, where P is perimeter, L is length, and W is width. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to substitute my variables with the values that I know. I don't know what the perimeter is, so I'm just going to keep P the same. The 2 is going to stay the same because it's a number. I'm multiplying that by L, which is my length, which here is 15 meters, so I'm going to write 15 in parentheses. The addition sign stays the same. The 2 stays the same. My width, I know, is 6, so I'm going to write 6 in parentheses. Now I'm just going to use order of operations to solve my problem. I know we always start off with parentheses first, but you'll notice inside of my parentheses, there's not anything I have to do. So I'll move on to the next thing, which is exponents, which I don't have. Then multiplying and dividing. I have two multiplication problems here, so I'm going to do them both. 2 times 15, first I'm going to write my P again, 2 times 15, which is 30, and 2 times 6, which is 12. Now I have left is a basic addition problem. Perimeter equals 42, and I'm going to go back and add my units, meters. If I just went around and added all the different sides, 6 plus 15 plus 6 plus 15, I would have also ended up with 42 meters. So I'm going to put a box around that. Now sometimes you're going to have to kind of split up what you know about a figure in order to find its perimeter. Here we have a polygon with a length of 4. This is 2. We don't know this part. This is 2. This is 4. This is 5. This is 20, and we don't know this part. Some parts are going to be easy to find. Like I bet right now you could tell me what x would equal just by looking at this shape. You probably noticed that x and 5 look to be the same length. So side x is actually equal to 5 feet. And since I know that, I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to cross that x out and I'm going to add 5 feet right there. Now I could just go around counting and add up to get my perimeter, but you're going to notice we also still have a y here. Now the y is a little more difficult. This y isn't the same size as this 20 feet because it doesn't go from here to here and it doesn't go from here to here. But if I look carefully at this thing, I might notice that this part right here is also equal to 4 feet because this is going to be 4 feet all the way down. And this would be 4 feet all the way down. So I should know that 4 plus y would equal 20. I know 4 plus 4 is 8. And I know 8 plus 12 is 20. So y must equal 12 feet. Now all I have to do to find the sides of the perimeter, to find the perimeter, is count for my sides. So I'm going to start here with the 4. 4 plus 5, and I just circled it so I would know where to stop later. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 20 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 29 plus 5 is 34, sorry. 34 plus 4 is 38. 38 plus 2 is 40. 40 plus 12 is 52. And 52 plus 2 is going to be 54 feet. Right down here, you're going to draw the two shapes that they gave you, and you're going to label the measurements, and then you're going to have to find the perimeter for each shape. For 3 and 4, you're first going to have to figure out what the unknown variable is and write the answer there. Remember to write it with units of measurement, and then you're also going to have to add up to find the perimeter. Have a good night, guys.